Bye, Dad.
On the playground, then you can put an ice cream down there.
Wow.
The playground, and you get all hot. You go swim.
Okay, bye.
Go and get my hat. I'm going to get my hat.
Please. Good luck. See ya. Golf time for them. Okay, say hi. Palis na kami, guys. Punta na kami ng park. Okay, let's go. Gusto niya pumunta ng park. Yung boys naghihintay na sa labas. Okay. Get that one. Oh, mami na lang. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Okay. Ayun, excited na siya. Okay. Bring it for mama. Okay, go. Go. Oh. Bye. See you. Here. Here, 2 hands. Here. Okay. Go. Okay, go. Okay. Okay, guys. Alis na kami. Naiwan ko yung shades. Dala ni Jan nandun sa car. So, wala akong shades. Ang init pa naman. Okay, yeah. Wait for mommy. We're coming out. Okay, guys. See you there. Holly, is it hot, Holly?
Mom, that's what I want to go on today.
Okay, let's go. Yep, you have to. Good boy. Good boy. Push. Mag-ice cream muna kami, guys. Kasi sobrang init. Okay.
What's this one?
Hey, mag-ice cream muna kami, guys. Huh? What do you want? What ice cream you want?
Golden Gate Times is yummy.
Yeah, that's the cold one.
Which one you want?
You want to start playing?
Oh, wait. We have to pay first.
Holly,
Yeah, I'm gonna get. What's that, Zach? What's that? Pop. Paddle pop.
Oh, yeah.
Ano kang pwede tayo? Holly. Holly. Maybe ito na lang. Yeah, I'm gonna pay. Wait.
Time. Go. Ice cream.
I got 2 of this.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Here. 1, 2, 3. 3 ice cream.
Oh, nice.
Sige na, sir.
Here you go.
Thank you.
No worries.
You're welcome. What's that? What you got?
Golden Gate Time and it's like
It's like biscuits.
yeah.
Here, Baba. This one, like this?
Oh, that's a side one.
No, this one.
Oh.
Here's the wipe, Nak. Can you put wipe for her, please? Wipe. Oh, it's dripping, Nak. Your ice cream's dripping.
Exactly. Your ice cream's dripping.
Have you got any wipes, China?
Yeah, I do. God, can you get
Get China to wipe. Get a wipe from China.
Oh, this
Fine, no.
Andun yung mga bata sa Kabi house.
Hopefully where the pub is a place.
Mommy's hand, okay? You listen to Mama. Hold Mommy's hand. Okay, wait. Wait for Mommy. Here. Come on. Holly. Let's go see Kuya TJ. Hold Mommy's hand. Okay, let's go. Or up the stairs. 1, 2, 3. Okay, go. Slowly. There, Baba. Holly. Kuya's over there. There. Go. Here. Zach. There. Oh, there's Kuya. Oh.
Yes!
Come on, hurry up. Come on, Holly. Hurry up! Come on! Where's Kuya? Oh, hurry up! Go up! Come on, okay. Ito yung park ng Big Four. Ayan, may cubby house sila. Ayan. Malaking cubby house na may slide. Tapos may maliit doon. And then si Sophie. Hi, Zach!
Oh, you want to come in? Come in. Come on.
Hold her. Kuya Zach.
Come here.
Where are you going, Kuya Zach?
We're only on the stairs.
Ah, stairs. Okay, up, Holly. Be careful. Careful, ha? Watch her sack.
She won't.
Come on. Mommy help you. Up. Hold her. Hold her.
How to get in? Before Holly gets up.
Okay, go. Kuya, help her, huh? Make sure she's not gonna fall, huh? Oh.
You don't slide? Okay. What happened here?
Can I go here?
I'm in my house.
Okay, tayo din dito, guys. Yes, Baba! Yes, alright.
Holly, please slide. Come on.
Okay, you wanna go slide with Kuya Sa? Ay, Kuya TJ? Kuya TJ first. Okay. And how? Okay, go, go.
Where's my mom? Oh, my shoes.
Ooh! Is it fun? Put the shoes back. Smile. Hi. Okay, ready, go. Whoa! Is it fun? Go, Holly. Go up, Holly. Okay. Zachary. Ready? Holly, Zachary. What's up? You wanna hold Holly? Okay. Sit down, teacher. One, two, three, Kuya, push. Yay! Yeah. Careful, Zach. Where's Holly? Hi, Holly.
Mom, come in here. She can come in.
Okay, let's go inside.
Mom's coming.
Gusto ni Kuyang pumasok ako dito sa
Hi,
tabi.
Mommy. Watch me in the way.
Huh? Oh, it's hot here. Where are you going? Ang init. Holly! Ah. Kuya! Be careful, Kuya. Where's Zachary? Oh, si Zach nasa swing. Where's your boyfriend?
I'll get that off. They're not big on my mom.
Punta kami sa kabila kung saan yung mayroong flying fox. Parang siyang zipline ata. Hindi ko pa siya nakita. Ipapakita nila sa akin. Kasi nung isang araw kahapon, galing sila doon at kaninang umaga. Come on here, Holly. Wait, I'm gonna get the pram. Oh, $10 daw to guys for 1 hour. So mamaya. You want that, Zach?
Yeah, I'm just driving that snow.
Yes. Si Zachary. Hi, Zach! Oops! Kuya!
Ah!
Doon si Holly sa may sa may puno kasi ang init. Hi, Holly! Baba, you're so red na, Holly. We're going swimming now, Holly. You wanna go swimming? Okay, let's go. Are you gonna push her? Yeah. Comes? Okay, let's go. Tapos na kayo dito sa Flying Fox daw yan. Flying Fox. So ngayon, magsiswimming na kami. Punta na kami sa indoor pool. Mag-swimming. Come on, Baba. I know you're hot. That's why we're gonna go swimming. Yep, right now. Mag-change lang kami ng pang-swimming. Then, punta na kami ng swimming pool. Ang init kaya. As in. Ando na yung tatlo na una na. Si Kobe ang nagpupush kay Holly. Ayan sila. You gonna change your clothes, Kuya? Yeah, we're gonna change. Your clothes is over there in the line. Get changed. Wait. Do you know how, Kuya? Another,
this
other
one.
way, other way. Yep.
Now
Okay.
this one.
I'll do that. Ako na.
I just don't. Oh.
Give me the key. Yeah, okay. No, we're not. We're not gonna watch TV. We're gonna change and we're going.